Hello everyone students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Good. What we have studied in our previous class, we have studied about the how to calculate the percolation rate of water means in soil. Okay, so for that we have studied the activity 9.4. What we have studied in that activity, we have studied that how the means how much water can percolate in how many minutes. Okay, so for that there is one formula also given: percolation rate, amount of water upon the percolate time. So we have studied this activity. In that we have seen that when we will pour the water into that pipe, means tin can. Okay, and then we have to calculate the percolation rate time. So by this formula we have studied that suppose we have given the 200 ml water, and this for that 200 ml water, suppose we have to require the 20 minutes. Okay, so our percolation rate will be 10 ml per minute. So such by this method we have to find the percolation rate. Okay, now today we are going to continue our next topic, that is the 9.5 moisture in soil. Okay, so all of you know that in our soil some amount of water is present. How we can calculate, how we can see this? Because if you will observe the soil, if you will take the soil in your hand, you will find that the soil is little bit वेट. ओके, कैसी लगेगी आपको वो? थोड़ी बहुत वेट मतलब गीली लगेगी. ओके, इन सम अमाउंट ऑफ सम एक्सटेंट वाटर इज प्रेजेंट इन द सॉइल. सो हाउ वी कैन सी दैट दिस वाटर इज प्रेजेंट इन सॉइल? फॉर दैट one activity 9.5 is given in your book. Okay, on the page number 101, activity 9.5 is given. What is given in this activity? Let us see. For this activity 9.5, we have to take one boiling tube and we have to add the 2 spoonfuls of soil in it. Okay, afterwards heat this soil on flame. You know what will happen, what you will observe in that? You will find that some water drops will comes from that soil. Okay, and it will you will find these water drops at the sides of the tube. Okay, so this water comes from the soil. Okay, एंड दिस वाटर गेट्स इवेपरेट्स. क्या हो जाएगा? वो इवेपरेशन हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स इट कंडेंस ऑन द कंडेंस होना मीन्स व्हाट? इट कंडेंस मीन्स इट गेट्स कूल. द वाटर वेपर्स गेट्स कूल on the inner sides of the that boiling tube. Okay, so you can see the figure 9.6. Okay, after heating the soil in boiling tube, you will find that some water drops are coming from that soil. It means the in that soil water is present, and this water is getting evaporate. Okay, and after some time when it will cool, so it get condensed. This water vapors will condense at the inner sides of walls of the tube. Okay, so this activity shows that in soil what is present? Water is present. Okay, now after heating soil, when you will remove that soil from this tube, you will find the difference between these two types of soil. Means initially when you had taken the soil before heating, तब वो सॉइल का जो डिफरेंस है और अब आपने जब हीट किया, सो यू विल फाइंड द डिफरेंस इन बिटवीन बोथ द सॉइल. ओके, आफ्टर हीटिंग यू विल फाइंड दैट द सॉइल विल बिकम totally dry. Means whatever the water was present in that, it will get evaporate after heating. Okay, so that means this activity shows that the water is present in some extent present in the soil. Okay, now the next activity 9.6. What is given in this activity? We have to find the absorption of water in the soil. Okay, absorption rate we have to find it. Means you can say the retain how much water is retained by the soil, that we have to find. Okay, for this activity what we need the some things like beaker, then funnel and filter paper, like that. Okay, take firstly take some soil in the that funnel, and before that keep the filter paper in that. Okay, as shown like the figure 9.7. Okay, afterwards One more thing, that you can take any kind of soil for this, means you can perform this activity by using different kinds of soil. Okay, now afterwards you have to add water in this soil, but by using dropper wise आपको डालना है ड्रॉप से. Okay, drop wise you have to add the water in the soil till the water will comes in down in that beaker. तब तक आपको ऐड करना है जब तक पानी नीचे आने नहीं स्टार्ट होगा तब तक. ओके, मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड द what you have to find, you have to find how much water is retained by the soil. Okay, when it will start water dripping in this beaker, stop adding water. Understood? जब water नीचे ड्रिप होने लग जाएगा आपको वाटर को pour करना बंद करना है. You have to stop the pouring water. Okay, now what you have to find, how you can find this records. See, firstly how much soil you have taken, that is the weight of that soil you have to measure. Just like suppose you have taken 50 gram of soil. Okay, then initially how much water you have taken, कितना पानी लिया था आपने, that initial volume of the water, that means you have to take this value as a UML. Okay, initially आपने जितना लिया था उतना. Then afterwards pouring that water into the soil, how much water is left now, that is your final volume of water. Okay, अब आपका पानी कितना बचा डालने के बाद वो देखना है, initial water और final water. Okay, so you have to subtract that initial value from the value and final volume. मतलब जो final volume होगा you have to subtract that final volume by the from the U, means initial volume. Okay, U minus V, and that again there is one formula, that is the percentage of water absorbed is equal to U minus V upon 50. U means what, आपका इनिशियल वॉल्यूम कितना था वो. सपोज आपने लिया 100 ml वाटर, उसमें से आपका 50 ml वाटर यूज़ हुआ, सो 100 माइनस 50 अपॉन 50. ओके, 50 क्या है ये, इट इज़ योर सॉइल, अमाउंट ऑफ सॉइल, वेट ऑफ सॉइल. ओके, एंड इनटू 100. So you will find the retention of water. Okay, rate of the percentage of water, how much water is absorbed. Now tell me, for when you will do this activity, so which soil will absorb more water? All of you know very well, clay soil will absorb more water. Okay, and if you will take suppose sandy soil, so water sandy soil क्या करेगी, sandy soil will not absorb the water because of the large particle size, and all the means water will easily go down in the beaker. Okay, that means which soil is have the highest percolation rate? Sandy soil has the highest percolation rate, and whereas the clay soil has the least percolation rate, very less percolation rate. Understood? I think all of you have understood this activity. Afterwards we will in our next class again we will revise it, and we will go do our next remaining part of the chapter. Okay.